Hello again, friends. So Rollins and I are just packing up and about to hook up. We are leaving this nice quiet spot off of Plumosa Road near Quartzsite. Time to make the long journey down to Ehrenberg. If anybody has been out here, you know that it's about 40 minutes, 45 minutes. Gonna stop, dump the tanks, fill up the water tank, and yeah, head down there, see if we can't find a spot that we know of by the river. Friends that I know are coming down and probably going to be there next week, so I'm going to go early and see if that spot's open, and if it is, I'm going to snag it up. Other than that, been hanging around here for 2 weeks, pretty much the limit, and the reason I stayed put, didn't do much exploring, mainly because I finally upgraded the iMac. Ordered one online, got it shipped to Blythe, made a little drive into California and picked it up. Taxes were a little cheaper than in Arizona, so that's why I went that route. And yeah, it's like hopping off a bicycle and getting in a Ferrari. Mine's 10 years old now. It'll be 10 years old this fall from the production date, I guess you'd call it. If you know Apple stuff, if you go into the About thing, it tells you when it was made. So yeah, this one's brand new, bigger. I got a 27 inch instead of the 21 inch. Just because I'm getting old and my eyes aren't as strong as they used to be. So yeah, I spent a little time getting that ready and you know, just going through it and figuring things out, and had a little trouble with the migration because part of me wanted to stay in that, you know, new computer smell for a while, but the brain said logically, yeah, do a migration. So I did a migration, but I didn't like the OS upgrade, so I actually did it twice and migrated it back in with what is it, Sierra, I think, the second latest operating system. And then once everything kind of gets settled in and things like that, then I'll try just a standard update from that. Other than that, yeah, Rollins is hiding out in the shade. It's a beautiful day today. Not as hot as you'd think, but I'm definitely not going to complain. There's no polar vortex going on down here, so, well, not yet anyway. Knock on wood. So yeah, we're just going to hook up and be on our way, and I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Bye. Hey friends, so we've made it. We found this spot along the Oxbow Road, which is along the Colorado River, just south of Ehrenberg. Of course, I turned the camera on and now we have an ATV. Never fails. It'll be quiet all day. I'll turn the camera on and all of a sudden there's Grand Central Station. But anyway, this is where we are. We went by a favorite spot, which is a little further north, mile or so, maybe 2. And it's right across the road from the river, but it was occupied. So I looked around some more at some other spots. A lot of them are occupied. It's a popular time of year down here. But we found this one. It's actually by the rock quarry, so it's not the most beautiful thing to look at here. Over here, I'll show you. But one plus is with these small berms and the shrubs and trees back here, we're not getting dusted by the people that go by on their ATVs and driving their rigs and trucks. There's a little bit of greenery down here. And Rollins has been loving it because he gets to run. It's pretty sandy all through here. Not the rocks, obviously, but all through down in there. I've been throwing the ball for him, and he's just been having a blast. He's all tuckered out. Have friends that are meeting us here. That's their favorite spot down there, the one that was occupied. But if they come in on Monday and it's open, then we might relocate down there. It's a little closer to in and out access as well. So, you know, I don't really plan on going too far, but I will be doing some exploring. So, I mean, if you're down there, it's a little closer to get to the I-10. So yeah, this is where we are for, I don't know, maybe a week. And after that, I don't know. But yeah, Rollins likes it. He's all pooped out. And he found some wood to chew on, which is what that sound was. What are you doing? You're all dirty. I have to take you over to the river and see if there's a spot you can go swimming. Yeah. Is that a good piece of wood? You're a nut. Anyway, that's us for now. I'm going inside. My goal for the next couple of days, being at Saturday and Sunday, is to get some photos edited. I haven't shot a lot lately, but I still have a backlog of stuff that I haven't even edited yet. So that's on my list, as well as a million other things. But yeah. So I was inside working. The sun just came out, so it's been a little chilly, so I had the windows closed and stuff. And all of a sudden, I had a bee inside, and I'm like, what the hell? So I came outside, and I could hear them. I have a bit of a problem going on here. So this is the door for my power cable. I accidentally left it open. And it's become very popular with some bees. Not sure why. The only thing I can think of is when I was parked at my sister's, there was some ants coming up the cord. So there is some like stuff to kill ants in there. Maybe they're attracted to that. But yeah, real popular with the bees right now. So I'm going to try and shoo as many out of here and close this door, and hopefully whatever the attraction is goes away. But weird, because when we pulled up yesterday it was nice and sunny and I didn't see any bees. No bees at all till this last 20 minutes. All part of the adventure. Bee control. As far as the bees go, I closed the hatch to how it's supposed to be. And did a quick Google search. I don't have any peppermint. Apparently peppermint will repel them. But around this little hole, just so they're not like trying to climb in, I'm trying some cinnamon. So there's just some ground cinnamon sprinkled in there. That's not going to hurt anything. But I think it did work because I shoot a few out of there and a few out of the trailer. And once I got the door closed and the cinnamon in there, there's the odd one flying around. I don't know where they're coming from. But yeah, they seem to have dispersed. So, bee invasion avoided. So it's Sunday morning. Work's a little quiet because it's Sunday. So I figured before I get settled and start editing a bunch of photos again, I'm going to take the dog for a walk, see what we find, do a little exploring. So here we go. Hey, doggo. Want to go for a walk? Definitely a donkey trail. How good is my limbo? Let's see if we can get the dog. Get it. Get the stick. It's not going to hurt you. You can swim. Come on, go get the stick, Rollins. You're a nut. You can swim. I've seen you swim. Hey. No, not a fan today? Okay. Careful. Well, I think that's it for our walk, at least footage-wise. Got the dog wet. That was a goal. He feels better. He's been pretty dusty for the last couple of days since we got here. But yeah, so gonna head back. This will probably be close to the end of the video. I think I'll put the drone up and just show you kind of where we are. And from there, I'll talk to you next time. See y'all later.
It's like working with a monkey.